Greetings to parents and students. It's time for our online class. I am Mr. Olatunde Joshua from Redeemer International School, Science and Technical College, Uyo, Akwa Ibom State. I will be taking mathematics for JS1 class. Good morning, students. Our topic for this morning is area of plane shapes. Before I commence my teaching, I would like to make reference to our previous class where I taught identification of plane shapes. I explained that a plane is a flat surface. Examples of a planes are top of a table, blackboard, surface of a book. And I also explained that a plane shape is defined as a two-dimensional shape which is bounded by lines known as side. Examples of plane shapes are triangle, rectangle, squares, parallelogram, etc. At the end of today's lesson, it is expected that every student should be able to define what area of plane shapes is, and as well solve problems on area of rectangles. Now let's look at what area of plane shapes is. The area of a plane shape is a measure of the amount of space it covers or occupies. I take that again. The area of a plane shape is a measure of the amount of space it covers or occupies. Area is measured in square units such as meter square, centimeter square, etc. Area of a plane shapes to be considered are rectangle, square, triangle, parallelogram, trapezium, circle. For the purpose of this morning lecture, let us consider rectangle. Area of rectangle. As you can see on the screen, this is the shape for rectangle. This is our length. This is our breadth. Some textbooks might as well write width is the same as well. Now the area for rectangle is length times breadth. You can see length times breadth. And in some cases, if area is given, for us to find our length or breadth, the formula to use is length equals to area over breadth. And as well, if area is given and we are asked to find breadth, breadth equals area over length. Now let's look at examples on area of rectangle. Example 1. Calculate the area of a rectangle of length 250 centimeter and width 200 centimeter. I take that again. Calculate the area of a rectangle of length 250 centimeter and width 200 centimeter. Solution. The first step here is draw the shape, that is rectangle. Try to label the side given to you. This is the length 250 centimeter and as well the breadth is 200 centimeter. Now write out your formula, that is area equals to length times breadth. We have our length is 250 centimeter and as well our breadth is 200 centimeter. 250 centimeter multiplied by 200 centimeter, we have 50,000 centimeter square, which is the final answer. Now let's take one more example on that. Example 2. The area of a rectangular field is 45 meters square. Find the length of the shorter side in meter if the length of the longer side is 9 meter. I take that again. The area of a rectangular field is 45 meter square. Find the length of the shorter side in meter if the length of the longer side is 9 meter. Solution. Draw your diagram. The first thing you do, label out the parameters given to us. Our length here is 9 meter. Our breadth is not given. You can see on the screen I put question mark there. Area is given as 45 meters square. Now we have to find breadth. Don't forget the formula I gave to you to find breadth. Breadth equals area over length. Breadth equals area over length. From the question, our area is 45 meters square. Our length is 9 meter. 9 in 45, we have 5, and as well 1 meter remains. Our final answer here is 5 meter. Now I would like to give you an assignment. Question 1. Find the area of a rectangular room which is 6.5 meter long and 5.5 meter wide. I take that again. Find the area of a rectangular room which is 6.5 meter long and 5.5 meter wide. Question number 2. The area of a rectangular field is 140 meters square. Find the length of the longer side in meter if the length of the shorter side is 5 meter. I take that again. The area of a rectangular field is 140 meters square. Find the length of the longer side in meter if the length of the shorter side is 5 meter. Please send your assignment to the school PTF WhatsApp number with your name and class written on it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.